Number 10, we're going to describe and correct the error in finding the volume of this follow object. Here we have a cylinder, and for the volume of the cylinder, it is always the base area times the height. The base area here is a circle. This is the base area here, and it is going to be the area of a circle, which is going to be pi r squared times height. So that is the mistake here. Okay, so the mistake here is that the error was that they use the circumference formula. They use the wrong formula. The base area should be the area of a circle, right? And that is because, again, it's called base area. So you find the area, and the right area of a circle, it is pi r squared. Okay, so that was the mistake. All right, to correct it, we can just plug in the values. Pi r is 4 squared times 3. So 4 squared times 3, which is 48. So the volume here is 48 pi. There you go.